Hello, lovers of good food. Welcome to another interesting recipe. I hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe is very interesting and educative. Now let's begin. In a sieve flour, I'll go in with my milk powder, sugar, baking powder and salt. Mix to combine very well and set it aside. In another clean plate, I will break in my 2 eggs. Then I will remove one of the yolk for dressing. Add in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and mix to combine very well. Now back to the mixed flour, I will create a hole in the middle and add in the egg mixture and warm water. Add the water bit by bit so that you don't add excess water. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Also remember to check the description box where I will list all the ingredients and their measurements. Thank you. Now after mixing, I will now cover it and set it aside to rest for 20 minutes. While I'm waiting for the dough, I will go ahead and prepare my fillings. Here I have 3 colors of paprika, onions, ginger and garlic. This is kitchen living. Once I'm done cutting them, I will transfer in a clean plate. Then I will add 1 tin of tuna fish. Mix to combine very well. You don't need to add any salt because the tuna fish contains salt. So mix everything to combine and set it aside. Now back to the dough. I'm going to cut them into smaller workable sizes. Then I will get one part of it, roll it out. If you notice that your rolling pin is sticking on the dough, just sprinkle some flour on it or you apply little oil. Roll it out to the flatness you want and get a clean plate. Lay the roll out dough. Use your fingers to press it in a little bit. Then you go in with your fillings. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the fillings depending on how big you want yours to be. Then you cover the top of the dough just like I'm doing on this video. Living gently, forgiving, doing life hand in hand. Make sure to use your fingers to press the top of the dough very well so that it will open. Then you grab your kitchen scissors and cut out the excess parts. Where food feeds the body and peace feeds the days. This is Chai Kitchen and Lifestyle, where calm always stays, where food feeds the body and peace feeds the days. So it's now time to make the cover of the pot. Get small quantity of the dough and roll it out. Divide it into 2 because we'll be needing small parts of it. Then fold just like as I'm doing on this video. Once you are done folding, make sure you roll it just like this on top of your working space so that the 2 ends will cover very well. Then you fold to cut out the size you want. Touch little water on one end of it and cover. Barefoot dreams on the floor now. Pieces cooking To finish up the cover of the pot, I'm going to use small sizes of this dough, roll them into balls, then I will roll into oval shape.
Every part tells a story. Every meal is a sigh.
Finally, dress them with egg yolk mixed with water and bake in a preheated oven for 40 minutes. And here is your delicious and sumptuous recipe made at the comfort of your home. Will you be trying this recipe? Let's hear you in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and share this video before you say goodbye. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Turn to something like art. Steam dances up to the ceiling.